Okay, I got it. So the roofing job is ongoing, and some of those packages up there had blown off. Gotcha. Appreciate the report. We'll pass that on. K7EDT.
Thanks, Ed. KG7 NFC clear. N4 PBY.
N4 PBY. The man's the hour. Ken, go ahead.
Good evening. Are we having fun? You might, if you're on the chat, you probably already saw I reported the 1/4 mile that we had just before the sky failure. We're getting probably estimated about 50 mile an hour winds on the gusts up here in northeast Mesa, Brown and Ellsworth, and rain's coming down pretty hard. So lots of lightning. So N4 PBY.
Yeah, we're on the chat right now, and yeah, we're kind of watching this come up from the south, and it's a pretty impressive one. K7 EDT. Looks like the group's all here. Skywarn net is non-active, and if it was, we wouldn't take check-ins unless you had reports of criteria. But if you have any report of criteria weather, please come now. Otherwise, we're here to listen for any stations that have any reportable criteria.
Arizona. The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Maricopa County in south central Arizona, northwestern PINAL County in southeastern Arizona, including the greater Phoenix area, until 10:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 9:40 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorms with a broad outflow boundary of 40 to 60 miles per hour winds moving across the Phoenix area from the south. Damaging winds are possible along with torrential rainfall. Locations impacted include Phoenix, Mesa, Chandler, Glendale, Scottsdale, Gilbert, Tempe, Peoria, Surprise, Avondale, Apache Junction, El Mirage, Fountain Hills, Paradise Valley, Allison, Youngtown, Lavine, Sun City West, Sun City, and Woodhull. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in